Artificial intelligence and machine learning in libraries. The advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, has brought a significant transformation in the field of library and information science. Libraries are evolving from traditional repositories of books into intelligent, technology-driven knowledge centers. AI and ML enable libraries to automate operations, enhance information retrieval, and provide personalized services to users. Concept of RE and ML in libraries. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to simulate human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, and decision-making. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables systems to learn from data and improve performance without explicit programming. In libraries, these technologies are used to manage information efficiently, understand user behavior, and deliver smarter services. Applications of RE and ML in libraries. AI and ML are applied across multiple areas of library operations and services. One of the most important applications is automated cataloging and classification. AI tools can analyze documents and automatically assign subject headings, keywords, and classification numbers, reducing manual effort. Another key application is intelligent information retrieval systems. AI-based search engines understand user queries more effectively and provide accurate and relevant results compared to traditional keyword-based searches. Recommendation systems are widely used in digital libraries. These systems analyze user preferences and suggest relevant books, journals, or articles. Example: if a user frequently searches for research on artificial intelligence, the system may recommend similar academic articles or ebooks. AI is also used in chatbots and virtual reference services, which provide instant responses to user queries, improving accessibility and saving time. Machine learning plays a vital role in user behavior analysis, helping libraries understand patterns in resource usage and improve services accordingly. AI also supports digital preservation, where large collections of documents are digitized, organized, and maintained efficiently. Another important application is plagiarism detection and research support tools, which help maintain academic integrity. Libraries are also moving towards smart libraries, where AI integrates with technologies like RFID and IoT to automate circulation, inventory management, and security systems. Implications of RE and ML in libraries. The adoption of AI and ML has several important implications for libraries. One major implication is the transformation of library services. Libraries are becoming more efficient, automated, and user-centered. There is also a significant impact on the role of librarians. Librarians are now required to develop skills in digital technologies, data analysis, and AI tools. Their role is shifting from traditional custodians to information specialists and technology facilitators. Another important implication is related to ethical and privacy concerns. AI systems rely on user data, raising issues of data security, confidentiality, and surveillance. There is also the challenge of algorithmic bias, where AI systems may produce biased or inaccurate results based on the data they are trained on. The adoption of AI also has economic implications, as it requires investment in infrastructure, software, and training. Furthermore, there may be resistance to change among library staff and concerns about job displacement due to automation. Advantages: AI and ML improve efficiency, speed, and accuracy in library operations. They enhance user experience by providing personalized and quick access to information. They also support better decision-making through data analysis and predictive insights. Challenges: despite their benefits, AI and ML present several challenges. These include high costs, lack of technical expertise, data privacy issues, and the need for continuous system updates. There is also a risk of over-reliance on technology, which may reduce human interaction in library services. Future prospects. The future of libraries lies in the development of smart and intelligent libraries. Technologies such as natural language processing, voice-based search, and predictive analytics will further enhance library services. AI and ML will continue to play a key role in making libraries more accessible, efficient, and user-friendly. In conclusion, artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming libraries into modern, intelligent information systems. Their applications in automation, information retrieval, and user services have greatly improved the efficiency and effectiveness of libraries. However, their implications, especially ethical, social, and professional, must be carefully addressed. A balanced approach that combines technology with human expertise will ensure the successful integration of AI and ML in libraries.